There are many wonderful health benefits that CBD oils have to offer, one of them being an effective treatment for arthritis. This video breaks down how cannabis affects joint pain and what you should be aware of when taking CBD for arthritis. Before we get started, we have a free resource for you, Chronic Pain, 5 Dope Ways to Cope, that you can download in the link below. CBD oil is an excellent option for arthritis sufferers due to its powerful inflammation-battling properties. CBD will not make you feel high at all and may be taken at any time of day. CBD is completely legal and readily available. There are 2 types of arthritis: osteoarthritis and inflammatory arthritis. According to the Arthritis Society, osteoarthritis, OA, is the most common type of arthritis. It affects more people than all other forms of arthritis combined. OA is a progressive disease of the whole joint that leads to breakdown of joint cartilage and the underlying bone. Most forms of inflammatory arthritis are also autoimmune diseases, where the immune system, the body's defense system against infections and other invaders, mistakenly starts to attack the body's own healthy tissues. This category includes some things you may not have realized were arthritis at all, like lupus or gout. Other common examples include rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, psoriatic arthritis, and juvenile idiopathic arthritis. If you have decided to try CBD oil for arthritis, I suggest talking with your doctor if you are taking any heart or blood pressure meds. Look for a 30-to-1 ratio oil. Start with 1/4 of a dose, hold it under your tongue for about 30 seconds, and do this twice daily for a week. Add 2 more doses daily for another week. Are you noticing any effects? If so, maintain this dose. If not, go up to a half dose twice daily for another week. You may continue this way, increasing slowly until you reach the desired result. You may notice the oil hurts your stomach a wee bit, so eat a small snack along with each dose. Sometimes people notice more energy, and this is a good sign that you have hit a dose that works for you. If you feel sleepy, you may have taken too much. I hope that this video has answered some of your questions about CBD oil and how it can help you with arthritis and joint pain. If you'd like to know more, don't forget to download that free resource down below, and we've also included links to some of our other videos all about CBD. Don't hesitate to contact us or leave us a comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. I hope you liked this video. Please leave me a comment, a like, and subscribe to my channel.